What social media platforms should you use for your business? There are many different social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and others. What you need to know in order to choose the best platform for your business is who are your customers. When you know who are your customers, it's easier for you to choose a social media platform because each platform has different audiences on it. For example, Pinterest is used mostly by women and not by men. This is an interesting fact for you. If your customers are mostly women, then you know you need to choose Pinterest. LinkedIn is a B2B platform. That means that if this model works for you, then you should use LinkedIn. You need to get familiar with your ideal customer profile and then do a little research about each platform. Because when you create your business profile, you will need a lot of time to create a good content for that platform. And if you didn't choose correctly, then you're just wasting your time.